Here I have Samsung Galaxy M52, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Hey Google feature on this device. So firstly, you have to open settings, then go to the Google section, then settings for Google apps, search assistant and voice, Google Assistant, then go to the voice match and enable Hey Google here. Then you have to tap next, I agree, continue, and now you have this feature enabled. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.